Hello traders and investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we are going to analyze Tesla. Let's take a look at how Tesla is doing right now. Tesla is going up almost 10% the time I'm recording this video. That's great. That's a very nice bullish reaction and it is a very important one in order for Tesla to build even stronger bullish structures in the future and to reverse this bear trend for good, all right? So I think today's movement is going to be very important for Tesla. Remember to click on the like button to support this video, to support my channel. We are growing nicely, so thank you very much for your support, my friend, and remember to subscribe if you are new around here. Let's analyze the charts over here for 1 second. Tesla, right now, okay, first, let's understand why Tesla is doing what it's doing. First, we had an exhaustion gap, indicating that the bear trend was already exhausted. It only dropped more thanks to earnings, okay? Earnings caused this volatility, and this was the only thing that ruined our reading in Tesla for a brief moment, but right now it seems we are already recovering nicely, and we have what seems to be a double bottom chart pattern, or at least a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart, okay? This is a reading for the short term, and right now we did trigger this bullish structure, and we also did what seems to be a breakaway gap. Why is this a breakaway gap? Because it is breaking the previous support level. See the $852 or $54, I believe that's a more correct price level. This black line over here worked as a support level 1, 2, 3 times and 2 times in the past. What's more, this black line worked as a support level many times in the past, in October 2021. So yes, this black line is a very important one, and it is very important to see Tesla breaking this black line, and especially by doing a breakaway gap. This means to us that the momentum is pretty strong. The momentum is very good, and even if Tesla does a pullback right now, if you are afraid, let's assume you are afraid that Tesla will do a pullback. Let's take a look at this tool over here. Let's say Tesla, okay, we did trigger this pivot point, but what if it drops? Well, if it drops, we have 2 possible scenarios. We have the 21 EMA over here, and we have this black line as well. Technically speaking, Tesla could drop all its way back to the black line, and it still would be a short-term bull trend. It is still doing higher highs, higher lows. Any reaction near this support level would be an opportunity to buy because Tesla is indeed reversing the trend. I have a first target at the 1K area, around $995 up here. This area, this yellow area over here is my first target. I do believe we're gonna hit there. I have a second target at 1115. Why? Because if we analyze the daily chart, the 1115 is the previous resistance. We have another resistance over here, but it's not that important. I think this resistance at 1115 is a much more important and symbolic one. This is a clear resistance level for Tesla. What's more, it was the second shoulders of this head and shoulders chart pattern. Can you see this head and shoulders over here? See this pattern was a very strong reversal pattern in Tesla, and it did reverse for a moment, okay? But right now, okay, we just retested the support level and we are reacting again. Friday, we did a hammer candlestick pattern. It would be perfect if we actually close it above the $854, but all right, that's just fine. Luckily for us, or maybe not luckily because the overall markets are going up, Tesla is going up nicely right now, and it's triggering the hammer pattern, and it seems to be like a hammer and at the same time a harami candlestick pattern, maybe, right? I don't know, this pattern over here. Maybe it is also another harami candlestick pattern. Anyway, Tesla is indeed reversing the trend, and if we analyze the long term, let's look at the weekly chart over here. Remember guys, last week that I told you, guys, if Tesla, I know that Tesla is losing this support level, but what if Tesla by any means reacts, and if it closes above the 900 area over here? What if this happens? Well, probably this is going to be a false breakout and an amazing bear trap. Okay, that's a perfect bear trap over here. And I am warning you guys because, guys, remember that what I always tell you, when you are trading individual stocks, as long as you are not building a complete portfolio or trying to match many stocks betas to build a very nice and well-rounded portfolio, if this is not your case and if you are trading an individual stock only, guys, it is important to trade a stock like this, to buy a stock like this when it is near a support level. And Tesla is near a support level right now. And despite the fact it dropped below the support area, right now we are reacting again. If we blend these candles, the last two candles, well, we will see a spinning bottom candlestick pattern right now. If we blend these two candles over here, we're gonna see spinning bottom, and I think that's a very healthy and interesting movement. This would probably create a short squeeze. I don't know if any player, if any trader, could be a retail or institutional trader, it doesn't matter. Any trader who's shorting Tesla over here are gonna be seriously squeezed, because it makes zero sense to short or to sell Tesla near a support level, technically speaking. And if you look back at the daily chart, Tesla is going up, alright, it's going up nicely. It's heading to this red line, which is our first target. We have the 21 EMA as well, which might work as a resistance for the short term, but I believe we're gonna break this resistance. And to be fair with you guys, I do believe my personal target is 11.15. I think Tesla is going to break the 1K mark again, and I have a very good and technical reason for that. I will record a video on the indices today, so remember to watch this video as well, because it's going to be extremely important in order to understand Tesla's movements and why I'm saying with so much conviction about the 11.15. Okay, this is my new personal target on Tesla, and I do believe it's gonna fly up there. If we analyze other stocks in the EV sector, Lucid is ready to react. It seems it did found a support level around this purple line. Of course, it lost the support level briefly, but just like Tesla, I think you're gonna see a false breakout. Rivian going up 12%. It is such a small candle, but it is 12%, so it is an incredible movement. We have the EMA as a resistance, and the Chinese electric vehicle stocks are doing similar movement. NIO, I think it's going to fill this gap. Next, XPeng has a gap just like NIO, but this gap is near the EMA in the weekly chart, so okay. But I do believe we're gonna fill this gap first. And of course, when we analyze the 10-year bonds yields, we see a congestion, and this might bring some relief for the tech stocks. But either way, Tesla is in such a good momentum right now, and I think now is the best time for a reversal. It's the best place and hour for a reversal. Let's see how Tesla is gonna play next. My friends, remember to check our community tab. I'm always posting some flash analysis up there. Well, leave a comment about Tesla. Comment below, say what you think on it. I will answer you. I always answer every single comment, so I don't know, share your thoughts, share your ideas. My friends, thank you very much for your support, for your friendship. See you guys on Wednesday on our next video. Bye bye, stay safe, farewell.